How to send pictures on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to send pictures on TikTok comments, then what you're simply gonna do is first of all, update your app to the latest version. After that's done, launch the application on your device. Then, then go to the video you want to set the comment for and open the comment section of the video. Now over here you'll see all the comments of the video. Now in order to send a picture, what you're gonna do is in the bottom right corner of your screen you can see a photos icon over here. Just click on it. Then it will take you to your camera roll. Over here you'll see all the photos present on your device. You can either select a photo and send it from over here or just select it from a specific album by clicking on the option all which is on the top of the page. Now go to a photo and then you can write anything you want on the video or simply leave it as it is by writing nothing. Then if you want to send the picture or upload it, what you're going to do is click on the pink arrow which is right over here. After you click on it, the comment will be published. So this is how you can send pictures on TikTok comments. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope this video was informational to you and see you in the next video.